Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently 56 degrees, cloudy and breezy here in the valley on this Friday afternoon. Today is the 13th. Ooh. Today I'm going to taste test the sparkling ice fruit punch flavored sparkling water. If you've tried this particular flavor or are familiar with this brand in general, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them is. Ah, I bought this 17 fluid ounce bottle at a local grocery store a few days ago for 68 cents. Full disclosure, Winco Foods is not a sponsor of this video. In addition to the fruit punch flavor, the store also had a wide assortment of other flavors, such as the cherry limeade, black cherry, grape raspberry, and black raspberry. Also, full disclosure, I've had this particular flavor in my lifetime, but I still wanted to do an official taste test video to have it on the record to add to the collection of other videos. Ah, and also, I've had this sitting in my refrigerator for the past few days, so I'm trying this beverage nice and chilled. Woo! Cheers, everybody. I love the color, very vibrant, reminds me of cranberry. Ooh, I can hear the fizziness. Smells sweet. A little bit of orange. I smell a little bit of cherry. Mm. Ooh. Carbonation. Oh, yeah. Oh, the fizziness. Once again, it tickles my tongue. Ooh, that'll wake you up. Ooh, ooh, fruit punch. Yeah, I'm picking up a hint of cherries, hint of orange, and apple. Oh, apple aftertaste. Not as sweet as I thought it would be. Excuse me. I tickled the nose there. Ooh, mmm, ooh, delightful. Fruit punch. That's just the right amount of fizz. Oh, extremely refreshing. Wow. If you like fruit punch, I think you would like this. It reminds me of classic fruit punch and the carbonation. Ooh, excuse me, tickled the nose. Oh, wow. Woo. And having it chilled, oh, next level comfort. Mm. Oh, that doesn't taste flat at all. That's very aerodynamic. Ooh, smooth. Oh, totally worth it. The quality for the price. Colder the better. Ah, I think the carbonation is just the right amount of bonus there for the fruit punch. Kicks it up a notch. Whew, I like that more than plain water. on a on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the sparkling ice fruit punch a 9.37. Wow, I'll probably finish this bottle by the end of the day. Flavor is great and refreshing. Lots of different flavors melting together, merging together to form the fruit punch. Oh, beautiful. I think there's a hint of pineapple in there too. Sweetness. Woohoo! Awesome! Yeah. until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels. Special shout out to my friends, the Seltzers. Ta-da! This would be good to have at a party. Ooh, have it on your birthday. Mm, yeah, have it over the holidays. Yeah, have it at the office party. There you go. Mm, ta-da!